Welcome to program support the enterprise to solve the economic disputes. In the current market economy, economic disputes are invariable more constantly on the day of the dispute become more complex. Enterprises often do not know how to solve the problem. So to find the suitable solution and know more about enterprise economic disputes, we will participate in discussion with two lawyers, Ms. Hằng and Ms. Thường from Hanoilaw firm. The program was implemented by Hanoilaw firm under the support of the Biển Đông Group. Yes, Ms. Hương, can you tell people how to indemnify an economic dispute?
Yes, business disputes can take place either domestically or abroad, identified by several of the following characteristics. Firstly, business disputes are conflicts of rights and obligations between parties in a particular relationship, including sales of goods, service provision, distribution, agents, deposits, rent, release, and construction, technical advice, or carriage of goods and passenger by rail, road, or in island waterway. And a dispute over intellectual property rights, technology transfer between individuals and organizations, and the purpose of profit. Disputes between the company and the members of the company. Among the members of the company relate to the establishment, operation, dissolution, merger, consolidation, division, or separation company functions, and others business and commercial disputes which are prescribed by law. Secondly, the conflicts of rights and obligations between the parties must arise from the business of enterprise.
So could you tell us when the dispute arises, if business settlement timely and appropriately, what benefits will they gain?
Yes, economic disputes that are not remedied in time will have serious consequences for the business as well as for other parties about both tangible and intangible. The significance of timely settlement of dispute are, firstly, it will protect the legal interests of the parties, will lift the psychological severity, maintain and strengthen the cooperation between the parties to the dispute. Secondly, ensuring equality between business entities and citizens before the law helps to establish order and discipline in law observance. Thirdly, fast and convenient dispute resolution is a condition for creating a healthy business environment, ensuring the freedom of citizens.
Yes, Ms. Hằng, what methods can be used to solve the economic dispute settlement?
Yes, in the event of the economic dispute, business may consider applying the following dispute resolution methods. The first, negotiation. Dispute resolution usually do not require a third-party role. The party discuss and agree to deal with the dispute themselves. The second, reconcile. A form of dispute resolution with the involvement of a third party acting as an intermediary to assist or pursue the disputing party to seek solution to end conflict or dishonesty. Thus, a negotiation or conciliation is a voluntary solution depending on the choice of party to the dispute. Thus, economic dispute by arbitration, a form of dispute settlement through arbitration, as an independent third party in an attempt to end the conflict by issuing the ruling that apply a party to the dispute act. Fourth, economic dispute settlement by court, a form of dispute settlement by a party to the dispute to file a lawsuit asking the cost to hear the dispute. Usually, the form of dispute resolution through court is conducted when the application of a negotiation or conciliation measure is not effective as a party to the dispute also don't agree push the dispute resolve the cause.
So to minimize economic disputes, can you suggest some laws for enterprise?
Yes, to limit economic dispute occur when draft the contract, all party needs to pay attention at some point. Clearly define the right and obligation of the party in the legal relationship. Clearly define the work that the two sides need to carry out. Specify the binding condition if one of the two sides does not perform according to the contract. State provisions clearly to resolve the economic dispute. Pay attention and be clearly, carefully when conduct the procedure under the provision of the law. It is the best way to have a law carry out procedure when you are not sure with the majority of the economic dispute. When the lawyer involved would help dispute is resolved quickly, preventing major damage that having the most reasonable cost and high efficiency.
Thank you so much. With the sharing above, we hope that will help you grasp our program around the settlement of economic disputes. Besides, with the desire to support the dispute resolution enterprise is a rental and effective way according to the slogan of the company, which is not in dispute, and make the role of Hanoilaw firm enhancing the culture of Vietnam's North. Currently, Hanoilaw firm are implementing business support program of dispute resolution for domestic enterprises and foreign enterprise. All information, questions that need answers, advice, please contact tel 0446825050, email hanoilaw.vm@gmail.com, YouTube Hanoilaw firm. Hanoilaw firm is pleased to cooperate with you better.